Hi somebody, welcome to Rebel for a Spell. Thank you for joining us in this meing today. What's new in my self-care, self-love wellness kit? Self-care, Rebel for a Spell. Today we update some of our past self-care, skincare routine, body care videos with an update of some affordable and easily accessible items that you can find for your face, for your body in your local drugstore, because it is a recession. Yes, it is. Self-care. Let's start with the face. I recently discovered La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer in Walgreens, 2 for 1, 2.5 ounces. I paid $19 for this, $19 for this. It is lightweight. I can wear it in the night, I can wear it in the day, and it is lightweight. It does not leave my skin tacky, and my face is predominantly oily. But this, for some reason, does not give me that heavy, sticky feeling. I love it. I love it. Next, SPF. Summer is coming. Summer is here. For some of us already, we need to protect our face. So, recently I started using Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF 70 because I could not find the other one, the Olay, in the streets of the world. So I had to get this from my drugstore, and I'm happy that I stumbled on it. SPF 70 self-care skincare. It's lightweight, easily applied, does not leave my dark skin ashy or gray. I love it. Skincare, body. We need our skin to be baby soft, supple. CeraVe to the rescue. Daily moisturizing lotion. I use this on my normal and dry skin. I hit my elbows, I hit my knees. It is lightweight, it is fragrant free, all the things that I love, and it is affordable. It is less than $15 and it does the job day and night. Dark skin marks. In my flawed video, I told you I suffer from hyperpigmentation and my skin needs to be beautiful. Always. The summer is coming. I love the beach and I need to keep working on getting my skin even toned. I discovered Skin Beautifying Milk. I get this at Amazon or Walmart. It is affordable, less than $15. This, my loves, it's almost like, do you remember Ambi? Okay, this could be considered an Ambi, but it's like a lotion, very thin and lightweight. There is no fragrance. It does not bleach your skin. Your skin remains the color that it is. It lightens the mark. It concentrates the effort right on the mark. I have been using it on this new mark that I have from a kitchen accident that I recently had about 6 weeks ago. It's doing the job. Remember, darling, self-care is internal and it is topical. Self-care is all-encompassing. Mental health, mental clarity, self-love. Self-care is inside and out. Inside and out. Please continue to practice mindfulness and wellness. Meing today. What's new in my self-care, self-love wellness kit? Self-care, Rebel for a Spell.
Another video is waiting for you.